Hi everyone, welcome back to the Axure RP tutorial series. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a link that scrolls the page down to a specific widget. Let's get started by dragging a couple of widgets onto the canvas. First, place a button widget at the top of the page. Then, scroll down a bit and put another widget at a higher Y value. I'm adding a placeholder widget around Y equals 2000. Now let's set up the scrolling interaction. Select the button widget and go to the Interactions pane. Click New Interaction and select the Click or Tap event. Select the Scroll to Widget Anchor Link action, and then select the placeholder widget in the Target dropdown. Notice that you can choose which direction you want the page to scroll. I only want the page to scroll vertically, so I'll leave that option selected. Click OK to save the action. All right, let's test that out. Click the Preview button at the top right of the UI to open the page in your web browser. Then click the button, and the page should scroll down to the placeholder. I should mention here that the page stops scrolling with the placeholder at the bottom of the browser window because there's nothing else below the placeholder. If you put a few more widgets below the placeholder to make the page longer, the page will scroll down until the placeholder appears at the top of the window. Head over to docs.axure.com for more learning resources and start exploring. Thanks for watching, and happy prototyping!